Federation of Residents Doctors Association has held a meeting with Union Minister JP Nadda and has called off its strike. JP Nadda has welcomed their decision to call off the strikes. He's assured them and accepted all the demands to ensure a safer and better work environment. Let's in fact listen in to what Federation of Resident Doctors Association President Aviral Mathur has said.
रात को डॉक्टर श्री जेपी नड्डा जी से उनके घर पे आके हम लोग मिले हैं। हम लोग कल भी मंत्री जी से मिले थे। हम लोगों ने मंत्री जी से जो कल अपनी डिमांड्स रखी थी, जैसा हमने अपनी प्रेस रिलीज़ में दी थी, उन्हीं को हमने आज रीफॉर्मुलेट करके वैसी की वैसी ही डिमांड्स हमने मंत्री जी को दी हैं, जिस पे मंत्री जी ने सबसे पहले घटना का संज्ञान लेते हुए घटना की कड़ी निंदा करी है। उन्होंने बताया है कि वो इस चीज़ को मानते हैं कि ये एक डॉक्टर के साथ कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। उन्होंने हमें ये आश्वस्त किया कि वो डॉक्टर्स को सेफ़ वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट देंगे। उन्होंने बताया कि जैसे हमने कल भी उनसे कहा था कि सारी चीज़ें जैसी वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए उसकी तरफ वो सही रास्ते पे है। उन्होंने हमें सारी जो डिमांड्स हैं उसमें एक टाइम बाउंड मैनर में एश्योरेंस दी है कि उसको एड्रेस करा जाएगा। हम लोग फ्यूचर फॉलोअप्स ज़रूर लेंगे। हम लोग जल्दी आके इनसे मिलेंगे दोबारा, और उन्होंने हमसे कहा कि एक कमेटी गठित होगी जिसमें हम लोग भी हिस्सा होंगे, रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, और हम लोग इस चीज़ के लिए जो हमारा डिमांड है सेंटर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, इस पे फोडा आगे की तरफ स्टेक होल्डर की तरह मेंबर बनते हुए जल्दी ही जल्दी इसको लाने की पूरी प्रक्रिया शुरू कर पाए।
All right, so there you heard it. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Mehendi. Mehendi, again, the Federation of Resident Doctors Association has decided to call off its strikes, and JP Nadda has also simultaneously ensured that there's going to be a better and safer environment, and a plan of action will be inculcated to ensure the same. If you could take our viewers through the details that are coming in as far as this meeting is concerned.
Well, yes, you know, a horrific incident happened in Kolkata when a female doctor was raped and murdered, on which a nationwide protest has been observed by the residents of Delhi, by the doctors also. And, you know, the strike has been called off right now because the Resident Doctors Association has met JP Nadda and the meeting has concluded. And in that meeting, you know, several discussions have been done between the Residents of Doctors Association members and JP Nadda, and you know, doctors are demanding, were demanding for a CBI inquiry. Now the court has asked for the CBI inquiry. Then they are saying that their one demand has been approved, and now several demands for justice and for the Central Protection Act is a very basic and major demand by the doctors right now. And with JP Nadda, these discussions also happened, and JP Nadda has given assurance to all the doctors of Residents Association that you know, certain and the appropriate actions will be taken care in this matter. And he also said that this is a very horrific incident that happened that shouldn't be happened, and the female doctors and the girls all over the country should feel safe in this country. So yes, the meeting has concluded as of now, and you know, the Residents of Doctors Association has called off their strike. But if we talk about some other hospitals, then talking about Delhi specifically, then still several associations will still protest today also and in the upcoming days also, because they are saying that only one demand has been approved of and has been heard right now, but they're asking for the Central Protection Act. That is a basic and the major demand by the doctors. So they are saying that the protest and the strike will remain till this Central Protection Act and the safe working environment for the doctors doesn't happen. Till then, these protests and these strikes will continue to happen. Yes.
Right up.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.